Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be building a roof to cover this concrete porch area. Now this porch is 12 by 30, and in anticipation of putting posts on this, we poured this footer at about a foot deep. We already got our header board up there on the main building, and that's 10 feet up. And we are using 8-foot posts that will be placed out here at the edge of the slab. So that'll create about a 212 pitch. So not very steep, but it should work. Using 4x4 posts for this. Now I've never done this, so come along with me and Dad as we learn. Use the string line to square off the building here along our concrete. Now we're moving our posts in 4 1/4 inches, and that's to accommodate. I'm going to build a brick shelf along these two areas. It'll come up about waist high. So that's why we're insetting all these brackets. Square it up with the string line, and the concrete slab was only a 1/4 inch out of square, so that's not a big deal. But we're going to go ahead and drill our 2 end brackets. That way we have something good to go off of. We're squaring up all these posts on the ground. I'm going to set the header on there. Now this is really the way to do it. It's pretty easy. So we know that this line is square, so we can base everything off of that. We just run 2 tape measures down each side of the post, make sure all the measurements are the same, then we can plop our header on there. So standing this wall up didn't quite go as planned, but we got it wrestled back in place. And we're mounting these posts using 4 3-inch screws. Now I'm not very confident in my math or speed square using abilities, so we're just sticking this first rafter up here and marking it in place. We're going to cut it, make sure it actually fits everywhere okay. Marking out all of our rafter locations on the header board with a long tape measure. So we went ahead and installed all of our 4-foot spacing rafters that tie directly into the posts. That way we could make sure that post was nice and level and secure. And so now we're just going back and putting all the other 2-foot spacing rafters in. Thwacking these big 60-penny nails into the back of the rafters. I'll eventually go back and put rafter ties on these, but I didn't see any at Lowe's. We got all our purlings on at 2-foot spacing. Now I'm going to put some rafter hanger brackets on all of these when I get them, but for now we just got them screwed and nailed. Went ahead and bought this storm door for the screened in porch area. And I really needed to use this door because it was half price returned item at Lowe's. So after an embarrassing long amount of time to install this door, it all works pretty nice. And we're done with this part of the framing for now. So this is how I tidied up the other end. So there'll be a triangle piece of metal up there at the top. And I'll wait to do the brick down lower till closer to completion of the building.
Keep thinking.